What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to make a creamy garlic shrimp pasta. So, cheers and let's cook. Before we head to the stove, I'm going to take my shrimp and put them onto a plate with a paper towel. And then just take another paper towel and dab them, just try to dry them out a little. That's going to help them get a nice sear. Also, I'm going to go ahead and season those with about a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Time to go to the stove. At the stove, I'm going to bring a pot of water up to a boil. Just turn that on to high. Add some salt. That's going to be for our pasta. I'm going to heat up another pan so we can start building our sauce. We'll let that pan heat up for a second. We're going to go in with some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. We'll let that oil heat up. Our oil is getting nice and hot, so now I'm going to go in with my shrimp. I have 3/4 of a pound of 5160 shrimp, which just means there's 51 to 60 shrimp per pound. I'm going to get all these in here and just sear off each side. One side seared off, so now I'm just going to shake them loose and flip them over to sear both sides. And guys, I'm not trying to cook these all the way through because they are going to cook a little more in the sauce later. We don't want to be overcooked. So we'll just get these flipped over, sear this side, be ready to go. I've seared each side for about 45 seconds, so now I'm just going to transfer those back to a plate. We got our shrimp transferred to a plate with a paper towel, so I'm just going to add a little more oil to the pan. Then I'm going to go in with 3 cloves of minced garlic, as well as half of a minced shallot. Now we're just going to saute those until they start to soften up a bit, just right before the garlic starts browning. Our garlic is just starting to brown, so now I'm going to deglaze the pan with a 1/4 cup of a dry white wine. I'm using Chardonnay. Then I'm going to scrape all those little crusty bits off the bottom of the pan from the shrimp, also known as the frond, and that's going to add a lot of nice flavor to our sauce. Now I'm going to go in with 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, and I'm just going to bring that up to a simmer. Cream is coming to a simmer, so I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. We'll give that a stir. And I'm going to also add half a cup of grated Parmesan. Stir that in. As well as a little lemon zest, 3 ounces of spinach. Just let that cook until your spinach is wilted. That is going to be the base for our sauce. I'm going to turn the heat off, add my shrimp back to it. Now we're just going to wait until our pasta is cooked. Pasta water is at a rolling boil. I'm going to go in with half a pound of linguine. We're just going to cook that to al dente. Our pasta has about 2 minutes left, so I'm going to turn my sauce back on to medium-high. And before I strain my pasta, I'm going to ladle just a couple tablespoons of that nice starchy pasta water into our sauce. Stir that in. We just gotta strain our pasta, get that into our sauce. Pasta is strained. Now we're we're going to add our pasta to our sauce. I'm just going to stir that around in that sauce. It simmers for another 30 seconds. That pasta absorbs some of that sauce. And then it is time to plate it up. We got a beautiful plate of pasta here. All I'm going to do to garnish that is take some fresh parsley. Just give that a rough chop. Take some of that parsley over the top. You are ready to eat. We have an absolutely stunning dish of pasta here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.